Hello everyone, today I'm going to replace this outer plate cover. This one's broken. I'm going to replace it with this one, the TayMac one gang outlet cover. And there's so much plants in the way, so I'm going to have to move some of them. It keep your area clean, that way you have easy access. Alright, so we're gonna start by making sure there's no power there. Alright, so I do recommend getting one of these, so check if there's a power. Okay. That's the neutral. This one too. So I'm gonna go to the circuit breaker and turn off the circuit breaker for this one. I'll be right back. Looks like it's off. No light there. And no more noise. I'm just gonna take it out because this thing comes with it too. So let's take this out. Too far. Zoom in. Zoom out. So here's the new one. Comes with the directions. Comes with the screws, new screws, and this one you could lock it too. So there's a hole here to lock it. And this one already has the plate for the one gang, so it should fit directly to it. Yep. Not you can see it, but it's right there. So this is just adapters to it. I guess I could put this there, and no, because this is the square one. So this is already ready to go. So should just straightforward installation. All right, so I'm gonna use the long screw that came with a cover. So just line this up, hold there. I think the old screw is a little bit thicker than the new one, so it just went through. It went straight right through. See? It's loose. Shouldn't do that, so I'm gonna have to use the old one. So this thing's gonna, on the back of this thing, there's a little guide here. This is the old screw now I'm gonna use. It's supposed to go in here. It's supposed to go this hole and slide in. Okay, so put the screw here. Loose. Why did it loose? Was it loose earlier? Was it on the top? No, it can't be on the top. What about the bottom one? Loose too. Okay, I won't have it, so I don't have a choice. I have to use the top one since you want to lose earlier. Why you lose? Oh well. So I'm going to use the top one then. So, lucky for me, there's another hole here on the top. So I'm just going to go through this hole here, and go here instead of here, because I don't know how that got loose. Shouldn't be loose, but it's loose. Bad. Anyway, so that's how I'm gonna do it. So just gonna put it on top instead of if you were using the bottom one, you would put it here first, then you just slide it in. Since I can't do that, I'm just gonna use the top and guide it. See? It goes to this hole in the top hole, the outlet, and the box. The same thing with the bottom. So before I tighten the top one, I do put the screw in the bottom. Make sure it's much easier if you can see what you're doing before you tighten it. Now the bottom. That's it. That's how you replace an outlet cover. Right? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And the way to open it, the side here, you can put a screw with a lock here. And I forgot to tell you guys, I already removed it. I forgot to show you the video. This part here, remove that before you install. It's in there, you just pull it out. Okay? That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you.